welcome back to the Fix-It Show. I'm Paul with the Fix-It Show. And if you remember the Suzuki that we're trying to rebuild from the trash dumpster, it didn't have a seat or a gas tank. So we went some eBay shopping, and here's what we came up with. This is actually a 75 TM125 tank. A little different badging, but it's got a big dent in it. And the inside is a little bit rusty. So I'm sure the petcock's no good, as you can see. We're going to soak this with some rust remover overnight, and then that'll clear that up, shake it a little, and we're going to strip it, get the dent out of it. We'll show you how to do that. And oh, hold on one second, someone's at the door. I'll be right back. Hi, it's Paul again from the Action Show. Oh, hi, welcome back to the Fix-It Show. As you can see, the Suzuki TM125 frame is a lot nicer and cleaner. Just got it back from the sandblaster. And he's wrapped it up for us, and I asked Freddie if he thought there was any cracks, or if he saw any. He didn't, that he remembered, so we'll look it over good. Try not to touch it with your hands, because it will instantly rust up. We'll look it over good, we'll wipe it down, and then wipe it down with some solvent to make sure there's no dust or anything on it. We're going to give it a real good coat of primer. So let me go get the cleaner, and we'll be right back. Alright, well, here we are. We got the frame hanging here. We got it all wiped down. Inspected all the motor mounts, the foot pegs, all the tabs. Everything looks to be in really good shape for as bad as this bike sat outside. And no cracks on the foot pegs or anything, so it must have been not too abused of a machine. So we're about to shoot some primer on the raw metal. It's all cleaned up and wiped down. And make sure you wear a dust mask when you do this, when you're shooting any kind of paint. And we'll go at it. It's a thin tack coat first. He's walking around on me. I'll let the first coat kick off for a little bit and then see where I missed. And come back and hit it with a second coat. Got two nice coats of primer on there. And we're going to let that sit up overnight with that in the swing arm all painted up with primed up. Tomorrow we'll come back and hit it with the nice two or three coats of a real nice gloss black. Alright, got the gas tank. We're going to clean it out with the rust remover. Looked all over the shop and couldn't find anything, because I'm not sure this petcock leaks or not, so I wanted to find something to set this in overnight. So don't tell the wife, but we stole her laundry basket, and we're going to dump that fluid in there and have a nice evening.